Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, yeah, it gapped down and that first 30 minutes was pretty brutal. But from where it was at its lows to where the price, currently worked its way back up to, any way you look at it, that right there is a very nice bounce in the upwards direction. But that does also lead to the more than valid question of, yeah, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at, let's see, what is that value? 43 cents. Why is 43 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 43. If the price were to go down to 43 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back near those lows that it had just broken out from. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price comes down here, however, in this situation behaves like this, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have lows right here. You'd have a low down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress, again, right there at 43 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance if this upwards move is going to continue? Where are some of these battlegrounds at? As of right now, the main one going forward is going to be the pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average. And that's right there around the 47.5 cent mark, give or take a little bit. So that'll be the overarching level to keep an eye on. However, as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance, but more so starting to go through some healthy consolidations and chip away at those higher bases. Because as long as higher bases are being built over time, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on the healthy consolidations and chipping away with those higher bases, and let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.